Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? Hey, I had a bit of a gum infection right back here, okay? And I've had this problem before. In fact, I did another video about it. So here's the 2021 version. So what did I do? Now, with anything, always check with your dentist in this case, or your doctor if you want. But this is what I did, and it worked for me, and that's all I'm going to say about that. That's my disclaimer. All right. I got one of these little tools, you know, from eBay or whatever. It's a little dentist tool. Okay. And what I found was there's actually some food stuck in the gums. So my gums actually have little pockets in there. So I sterilized that in some Listerine, which I'll show you soon anyway. And then I scraped out the food that was in there. And I also pushed on the gums inside, like that, and pushed out any food that was in the pockets. Now, continue to do that every single day. So then I would take my Listerine, which I've talked about before, and then wash my mouth out with that, rinse it, you know, just swish it around and rinse it. This has actually got alcohol in it though, which I believe is ethanol, and they say that you shouldn't use that long term because it can cause mouth cancer, so just be aware of that. But this stuff has been really good. I got the, I suppose anyone would probably work, but I've got just the old-fashioned one, like the original, mint flavored. The other thing that I do on a daily basis is get my table salt and a cup. I'll put this down because I don't need that. And just take the top off, or get your cooking salt or whatever. And watch this. Just put in about that much. That's all you need. Okay. Now, this is actually a dentist told me to do this. Put some water in there, say about up to here, like a splash of water. Say half a cup, or not even, maybe a quarter of a cup. Swish it around so you get the salt in there. And then also do the same thing. So take one little sip, swish it around in your mouth, push on the gum, get all the food out if it's in there, and then spit it out. And then do that again, so 3 times. And do that every single day, like in the morning, for example. I actually do it in the shower. So, how is my gum infection there? Lot better. I mean, it only took a few days. And another thing that actually helped, in moderation, was a little bit of red wine. But I'm not having it at the moment because I'm not allowed to drink at the moment because I had gastric sleeve. So, yeah, those few things actually helped. So if you have that problem, try that. Check with your dentist, check with your doctor. Make sure if you play around with things like this that you don't use it, you know, you don't dig in your gum too much. Be careful with it because it is sharp. Make sure it's sterile when you're using it. And that's what worked for me. And it's a lot better. I'd say a few more days to be gone. All right, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a look around my channel. Donate. There's a link on the About Me page. If you click on About Me, donate to this channel so I can keep on buying these crazy microphones and equipment. Thanks, guys. Teach yourself out. I'll see you in the next video. We'll see when that is. Either today, tomorrow. We'll see. All right? Got a few things on today. God bless, guys. Teach yourself out.